Hello student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Here is question from JEE Advanced 2022. Question is based on arithmetic progression. Question is saying that let L1, L2 up to L100 be consecutive term of an arithmetic progression with common difference D1, and let W1, W2 and so on W100 be the consecutive term of another arithmetic progression with common difference D2, where D1 into D2 equal to 10 for each I equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Let Ri be a rectangle with length Li and width Wi and area Ai. If A51 minus A50 equal to 1000, then the value of A100 minus A90 is. So student, first we write the main point from this. Here L1, L2, L3 up to L100 are the consecutive term of an arithmetic progression, and their common difference is D1. So D1 equal to L2 minus L1, or we write L3 minus L2, or L100 minus L99. Okay. W1, W2 up to W100 is another arithmetic progression whose common difference D2 equal to W2 minus W1 equal to W3 minus W2 equal to W100 minus W99. Here it is also given that D1 into D2, the multiplication of their common difference is given to 10. Okay, and AI equal to area of a rectangle. You know that length into width, so length into Li into Wi. So A1, when we put I equal to 1, we got L1, W1, and A2 equal to L2 into W2. So A100 equal to how much? L100 into W100. Okay, now as given, that A51 minus A50. A51 minus A50 is given to 1000. 1000 equal to how much? 1000, and we put the values that A51 equal to L51 into W51 minus L50 into W50. We put this value equal to 1000. Okay, now you know that L is what? L1 plus 51 minus 1 into D1. This is the 51 terms, L1 plus 51 minus 1 into D1 into W1 plus 51 minus 1 into D2. This is the 51 term of second arithmetic progression minus L1 plus 50 minus 1 into D1 into W1 plus 50 minus 1 into D2. This is equal to 1000. Okay, now we write it as L1 plus 50 D1, 51 minus 1, 50, and this is W1 plus 50 D2 minus L1 plus 49 D1 into W1 plus 49 D2 equal to 1000. Okay, now we multiply this and get L1 W1 plus 50 W1 D1 plus L1 50 D2 minus L1 W1 minus 49 W1 D1 minus 49 L1 D2 minus 49 into 49 square D1 D2. Here also this term comes then 50 into 50 square D1 D2. Okay, there are 4 terms, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so L1 W1 cancelled here, and 50 W1 D1 49 W1 D1, so we got W1 D1, and 50 L1 D2 minus 14 L1 D2, so we got L1 D2 here, and here for 50 square minus 49 square, so 50 square 49 square into D1 D2, this is equivalent to 1000, so 1000. Okay, so W1 D1 plus L1 D2 plus how much, 50 plus 49, this is 99 into 1 into D1 D2 equal to 1000. Therefore W1 D1 plus L1 D2 plus 99, and D1 D2 value is 10, so this is 1000. We got finally W1 D1 plus L1 D2 equal to 1000 minus 990. Okay, so we got this 10 W1 D1 plus L1 D2. Okay, so this is our value equal to 10. Okay, now A100 minus A90 equal to L100 W100 minus L90 W90. Now we again put these value like this, that L1 plus 99 D1 W1 plus 99 D2 minus L1 plus 89 D1 and W1 plus 89 D2. On solving this, we got 10 times W1 D1 L1 D2 plus 99 square minus 89 square D1 D2. Finally we put the value this from here, 10 plus and 99 plus 89, 99 18, 8 9 17 1 18, and D1 is D2, 99 minus 89, this is 10 into, we got 99 minus 89, we got 10 into D1 D2 also 10, so this will be 100 plus 18800. When we put this value, 18900 is the answer of this question. So student, in this way we solve this problem. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and make comment for any query or doubt. I hope. Thanks for watching.